Okay, hey YouTubers and TW200 fans. I bought this TW200 like a month ago. It's a 1994. Um, when I originally bought it, the Kickstarter did work, but now it doesn't engage at all. And last time I started, I heard some clunking that was kind of disturbing. So I'm going to dig into here, see what's going on, why my Kickstarter won't work. Because also, I kind of needed the Kickstarter because my battery was dead, and I was on a gravel road, and it's kind of hard to bump start uh, a bike on a gravel road. You can do it, but it helps if you have another person, and I was alone. So the tools I'm going to need for this job are probably a variety of metric wrenches and Allen wrenches. I've already started replacing the JIS screws with some stainless steel bolts. To get the rest out, need an impact driver, like so, a dead blow hammer. You don't have to drain the oil, but probably a good idea. I'm going to lay it down on its side after I drain the oil. A good clean drain pan, I'd like to at least wipe it out, so if I have any crud coming out of the oil, I can identify it more easily and not confuse it with other contaminants. So we'll get started with that. I'm going to drain the oil, and I am going to remove this cover. First I got to remove the brake lever, the foot peg mount, the kickstart lever, and then I can start getting to all those bolts. So I'll get busy with that, and you guys just hang out for a bit. So I got the oil draining, and one thing I forgot to mention too is I think the clutch is slipping, so I need to take out the steel disc and the fiber disc out of the clutch, and measure them and see if, or at least look at them and measure them and see what's up with that. So let me pause you again while I take the rest of this crap off. Okay, so I have the foot peg off. You only need to loosen this this top bolt here. I'm sorry, take the top bolt out. It's a 14 millimeter head, and you might have to loosen this bottom one so it just pivots out of the way. Once you do that, you can take your brake lever off. And the kickstart, you have a kickstart. It's a 12 millimeter head, and it's splined, so you just need to pull it straight off. It might be a little pinched in here. You might have to get a screwdriver and free it up. One thing that is important here is to clean everything. Clean, clean, clean. You don't want any dirt or crap getting in your motor. So wipe it down and blow it off as good as possible. Now I'm going to, I think I'm going to lay this down on its side on my trusty milk crate and see what we got. Take this cover off. Get you in a minute when I get the cover off. Forgot to mention something. One thing I do, I've got 4 motorcycles now. When you're taking these covers off, make yourself a cardboard template so you can put your bolts. You just put your bolts in these holes, these various holes. Can you see that? Maybe not. Put your bolts in these various holes, and you don't lose them. You don't mix them up. There's no confusion. It just makes things easy. Okay. Okay, so now I've got all the bolts out. Got them on my handy dandy cover there with the oil filter cap. I also put that O-ring, that little O-ring on that shoulder bolt under there so I don't lose that, because that'll cause you oil leaks if you lose that. So let's get this cover off, and let's see if it comes off first of all. cleaned everything up okay, pretty good, I think, I hope. Let's give her a little tappy tap. There she goes. Just gently. Let's pull her straight out. See what we got. See what kind of mess we have in here. Easy. Ah, that's a newer gasket. And those springs don't look stock, maybe, I don't know. That gasket's pretty new. Looks like, I can't imagine in 1994 with a gasket coming off that good. Ooh, the heck is that? Got some crud on there. What is that shaft? It would be here somewhere. Oh, way in there. Aha. I think the shaft is broken, which would be, see that? Yeah. See what kind of crud we got. Yeah, somebody's been in here. Somebody has been in here before. I'll have to see what that shaft is, because I think that's my problem. Can we see that? Right there. That's busted. I'll have to look at the diagram and see what that is. I want to make sure I don't have any miscellaneous parts laying around here. That oil looks really cruddy, and I just changed it too. So, here's some silicone on here. I got some gritty grit. That's not good. Yeah, let me dig in here some more. Oh, there's something right there. Yep, I better get my magnet. Let me get my magnet. Be right back. Dang it, where'd I put my magnet? There it is. There it is. Come here, you. Yep, we got some broken stuff in there. I'm not sure quite what yet. Let's put the magnet in there, see what we can pull out. Nothing really quite yet. Aha. There it is. Oh. That is, I think that belongs there though. But she's flopping around. I don't think it's supposed to flop around. There's like a bent, funky looking spring. But I'm gonna have to take that thing there. I'm not sure how that goes back in. That could get scary. That right there. I'll have to see if I can pull anything else out of here. That might have been what I was feeling. It might not have been anything broken. Except for that, that's gritty. That is gritty. Let's see. Let me see if I can't get you in here closer. Get some paper towels, wipe my hands off. Oh no. Here's that shaft. Oh, it's been ground on. Been grinding on something. I was wondering what that was. It was stuck out the side of the cover. I'll show you how it looks. Right there. It's stuck out of the back side of the cover. I'm trying to see my camera right there. See that?
Nope.
Interesting. You don't know. Everything else looks okay, I think. think that was my problem. I think. I wonder. Let me clean off in here. Yeah, look at all that crud. It must have just ground the crap out of whatever that was. I'm probably going to end up having to take all of this apart. Let's put this on here, see what happens. It's probably supposed to engage a gear in there. I'm going to have to stop here and look on the parts fiche, schematic, whatever you call it, and see if I can see what's going on. I'm going to put the cover back on just to keep everything secure and in place. So I'll let you know when I get there. So examining is as close as I can. Come on, phone, focus. Come on, camera, focus. I did not see any major chunks in there. No chunks, actually, just some grit, so I'm not sure. I gotta figure out how it ground this down. I'm sure the gear did that. I actually took out the kickstart mechanism here. But I don't see any. I mean, the teeth on the gear look good. Everything looks good there, so I'm not quite sure what the heck is going on. We'll just have to see. Put it back together and let her be.